everyone, today we're going to paint maple leaves with a bird, more like Chinese style, okay? Let's start. And today's color we need black, white, red, yellow, okay? Alright, we start prepare our paper or canvas with light gray, okay? And the same thing, you use a big brush as possible so that way you will finish as soon as you can. And then let's wait until it's dry. We come back for the painting. Alright, today we start with a thin brush, okay? Because my paper is small, if you use a bigger page or you have a canvas, you can use another different brush. No need this thin, okay? Okay, let's start do the tree trunks. And you see you give little pressure, it gets thicker, okay? And then go back and shape up with some thin lines. Leave some white spot. This is the style, okay? And it will look beautiful like this. Yeah, and then the top part, we're going to draw a bird there and later on. So leave that part, and then we're going to do leaves on the bottom, okay? And design the full picture look pretty, all right? And then we put a few trunks here and there, and you decide where to put them, no problem, okay? And using the same brush, we make a little light gray, and I'm going to do the light part a little bit on the tree trunks. There we go, just here and there, a little bit touch of gray. Alright, here, wash your brush. We're going to make orange, okay? Touch a bit yellow into the red. And we make dark color first, alright? And then we do the leaves. Watch carefully here. The maple leaves are beautiful, huh? They are like fingers. Yeah, just few strokes. There you go. Is there another one? Alright, and we do a few, and then you design the rest where you want to put it, okay? There's another one. It's easy, okay? And then later on, we're going to come back and add some lines in the center of the leaves, and then some lighter leaves here and there, okay? There, see another one. And someone's thinner, someone's thicker and smaller. You design what they look like, okay? There we go. Take a little time to do all the leaves, and yeah, you can see where you put more leaves and where you only put a few, okay? Right now I'm doing on the outside of the tree trunks, so they are smaller and less leaves. And then I leave the center here for more leaves later on. We come on and add more, okay? So now I get some lighter color, you see? It makes into here and there. Yeah, there we go. It's okay, you can put a lot of leaves and cover them, okay? And in the back, you may just put a few shapes like, and then later on in the front, you can put more clear leaves. And today, pay a little more attention to wash, because we're going to do something different than other time. We can't like doing Chinese style with acrylic color, and this way is much easier than you doing Chinese painting. Here I do more leaves here, and take your time, especially like this, have a lot of leaves, okay? And take your time to do it so. And in the front of the picture, you put the bigger leaves. and then that's a cover the one you have done in the background, okay? And you may switch different colors to make the contrast, okay? You see I put a few big leaves on the front. The picture look different, okay? Yeah, so and you add a few on the front, and then that's because it's closer view and the leaves are bigger, all right? Alright, here I make some light color again, and we'll put light leaves here and there. Alright, and then after this, and you will see, okay, with all the leaves, it look much better. Alright. Alright, here we wash our brush, get some dark color, and remember you want to do thin lines, add some water, okay? And we're going to do each leaves in the center, we're going to put some dark lines. Yeah, there, you see, it's just like that, okay? And the end of the leaf is lighter, it's thinner, okay? Started a little thicker, so you give a little more pressure in the beginning and then drag it and lift it, okay? Yeah, just like this. Also a lot of leaves, okay? Take your time to finish all of them. Pick some painting like this. That's a practice your patience also, okay? With all those leaves. And then also it's a lot of practice because you're doing the same thing again and again. That's each paint you can do a lot of practice, okay? Yeah, I have other videos that's showing how to do different things. You feel free to go around in my channel to look around in other videos, okay? So you can learn different tips to do, okay? Alright, here pay a lot of attention, okay? We're going to do the bird. And we just do it with dark color and gray color, alright? And leave some white spot. That's it, simple color to do the bird. So pay attention where I put strokes to make the bird shape, okay? It's important here. So you can always go back and forth, watch again and again, alright? And then you don't see it like yet, but slowly you will see, oh, it's actually a bird, okay? You see, it's here one stroke and there one stroke, and then end you got a bird. Beautiful. This is amazing type of a thing, but it doesn't allow you to do too much mistake. And in acrylic is actually easier than the Chinese color, okay? So there you can fix it with white color. Like, yeah, the white spot, you don't have to believe exact that way. And later on, we always can go back, put a white color, alright? Just be careful when you shape up the bird. Don't make it too big, alright? The other colors, no problem, okay? You see here, I get some gray color to put somewhere that is light, but still have a shadow, right? We just use gray, white, and black. Make the contrast of the bird and where the highlight and the shade, and then that ended up we got the bird, okay? See, that's the tail there. And I switch back to gray again. So you see, I switch dark or gray when you need it, okay? Yeah, there the bird shape is coming out, alright? Just make a little bit on the wing here. And wash your brush, we're going to get white color, okay? Remember I said don't be afraid with the white color. Well, be careful when you put it on the dark color, because if it's not dry yet, it will make it. So you may wait a little bit until the black color you just did dry it up a little bit. So you add white, it will not mix into the dark. Okay. A little bit white here. A little bit on the wing. And the tail here. A few lines. Almost done. Okay. And then we're going to do the eye here. Okay. The leg. Alright. Let's put we make that part a little bit lighter first, and wash your brush and get some dark color. To shape up the area a little bit better. The last step, we're going to do the eye. Okay. You see I got white color, and do the beak first, the highlight part. Okay. Now the eye, just a little bit touch white. Okay, that's it, our bird is done. All right, I will do a bump here by the turn here. Okay, for the tree trunk. So you always can change things around, no problem. It's your paint. Okay, anytime. Yeah, and then shape up the leg here a little bit to, yeah, add a little bit detail in, and you shape up, and somewhere need to be fixed, and then we're done for today. Okay, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and I would like to see you in my next video. Okay, and then together we learn more and more tips and tricks how to do acrylic paintings. All right, then, and always sign your name when you're done. Okay, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.